Welcome to my channel. What if I told you that success is not about luck, but about how you train your brain every single day? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will learn simple ways to control your mind and change your life step by step. Chapter 1. Understanding your brain, your most powerful tool. In this chapter, we will start with the most important idea. Your brain is like a machine that learns from repetition. Many people think success comes from talent, but in reality, your brain creates habits based on what you do daily. We will explain in very simple language how your thoughts become actions, and your actions become results. You will learn how negative thinking slowly trains your brain to expect failure, while positive and focused thinking builds confidence. This chapter will include simple, real-life examples, like how a student improves by practicing daily. There will be a strong, emotional moment where viewers realize they are already training their brain either for success or failure without knowing it. This realization will make them curious to learn how to take control of their thinking. Chapter 2. The Power of Daily Habits. Small Actions, Big Results. This chapter will focus on how small daily habits shape your brain over time. We will explain that success is not one big action, but many small actions repeated every day. The audience will learn how habits are formed and how even simple activities like waking up early, reading for 10 minutes, or avoiding distractions can reprogram the brain. We will create a strong connection by giving relatable examples, like how scrolling on the phone trains the brain for distraction, while reading trains it for focus. A powerful moment in this chapter will show how one small change in daily routine can completely change a person's future. This will motivate viewers to think, if I change one habit today, my life can improve. Chapter 3. Controlling your thoughts. The key to a strong mindset. In this chapter, we will teach viewers how to control their thoughts instead of being controlled by them. Many people allow negative thoughts to take over their minds, which stops them from growing. We will explain simple techniques like stopping negative thinking, replacing it with positive thoughts, and focusing on solutions instead of problems. The language will be easy and beginner-friendly so English learners can understand clearly. A key emotional spike will come when we explain that even successful people feel fear and doubt, but they don't let those thoughts control their actions. This chapter will inspire viewers to believe that they can take control of their mind, even if they feel weak right now. Chapter 4. Training Focus and Discipline. The Secret of Consistency. This chapter will highlight the importance of focus and discipline in training the brain for success. We will explain how distractions weaken the brain, while focus makes it stronger. The audience will learn simple methods to improve concentration, like setting small goals, removing distractions, and working step by step. We will include relatable situations, such as trying to study while checking your phone again and again. A powerful moment will show how discipline is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. This chapter will push viewers to realize that they don't need motivation all the time. They need discipline. This idea will create a strong impact and keep viewers engaged. Chapter 5. Learning from Failure. Turning Pain into Growth. In this chapter, we will change the way viewers see failure. Instead of fear, we will teach them to see failure as a lesson. We will explain that every mistake trains the brain to improve if we learn from it. Simple examples will be used, like learning a new language or skill, where mistakes are necessary for progress. A strong emotional moment will show that most successful people failed many times before achieving success. This will give hope to viewers who feel discouraged. The chapter will guide them on how to analyze their mistakes, stay patient, and keep moving forward. This shift in mindset will be a powerful turning point in the video. Chapter 6. Building a Success Routine, Your Daily Brain Training Plan. In the final chapter, we will combine everything into a simple daily routine that viewers can follow. This routine will include positive thinking, small habits, focus practice, and learning from mistakes. The goal is to make it easy for beginners to start immediately. We will explain step by step how just 30-60 minutes of daily effort can train the brain for success over time. A strong motivational peak will remind viewers that change does not happen overnight, but every day matters. This chapter will make viewers feel confident and ready to take action. It will end with a clear message. If you train your brain daily, success is not just possible, it is guaranteed with consistency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs motivation. Also, comment below. I will train my brain for success to make a promise to yourself. Keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video.